Hello guys, today I'm unboxing UX13 Golem Rock 160 under speed. This is a right speed defense type. Here's the code. Here's the instructions. Here is his blade. He has the contact points. Here's the ratchet. This is 160. This is a low height ratchet and it has one big contact point. This is outer needle. This is 1 millimeter shorter than the original gear needle and has a sharper tip. Bye guys. That's Golem Rock. Tense large. 3, 2, 1, go. Very stationary. As you see, it's kinda short.